Hello everyone. We are going to make andouille corn chowder. So I've added a little oil. Oh, I need to turn on the burner. Turn on the burner. And I have some sausage andouille that I've cubed up pretty much. I'm going to add that. I have some onion that I have diced up about the size of your corn kernels. So I'm going to add that. My taters are in the way. It's been gloomy and chilly and rainy, and so I want some comfort food. A warm bowl of something. So add all that in there, and then I have a little bit of celery, one stalk diced up, and that's just for flavor pretty much. And then I have 1 can of canned corn and 1 bag of frozen corn. And if you have your fresh corn in the freezer, by all means use that, and then use your cobs in the broth if you want. A spoon. Stir this up. Get it going. It's going to be pretty quick and easy. Your prep is the biggest part, really. And this andouille will be what really flavors your soup. You can also use smoked ham if you like. If you can't get andouille where you're at. I know it's not always easy to find here. And this is actually Hillshire Farms. I've not tried it, so we'll see. I'm gonna say it's probably closer to just a spicier smoked sausage, but we'll see. But they're calling it andouille, so I'll go with it. It's just really hard to find the real thing here. So I'm going to soften up this onion and brown up this sausage a little bit, and then we'll come back and put the rest of the soup together. Okay, that's done. So now I'm going to add some flour. That's just because I want a nice chowdery, creamy mouthfeel. And at the very end, when it's done, I will add some cream. Now that I got that in there, and I have some potatoes diced up in water over there and my corn in a bowl. I'll put the potatoes in after it simmers a bit so they don't get too soft. It's a quart of chicken broth, and I'm going to put some water. Another quart of water. Going to add my corn. going to let this simmer. When I was making this, I was like, my instincts were wanting to be so Cajun and add bell pepper, which you could do, but I'm not making jambalaya, I'm making corn chowder. And if you wanted to, you could add white pepper. And if you wanted to make it more Cajun, you could add Cajun seasoning. But we're just adding salt and pepper because that sausage is going to add a lot of flavor to this broth. So we will let this simmer. Oh, sorry. And then before we add the potatoes, we will check it for seasoning. As you know, potatoes will take a lot of salt. So let that simmer for about, oh, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. And then we'll add our potatoes. And when the potatoes are done, we'll add the cream and it's ready. So I will be back in about 20 or 30 minutes. I'll taste the stock. Taste your broth. That'll kind of let you know if it needs more seasoning or more simmering. We'll be back in a bit. Okay, excuse me. So this has been simmering for a little bit. I'm going to add my potatoes. Drain the water off of them. It's got a little bit of thickness to it. And when those are tender, I will come back and add the cream. And then dinner will be served. So we will see you back in a minute. Okay guys, we're going to finish off our soup. And we're good to go. And you can add as much cream as you like for the mouthfeel that you like. I probably added about a cup. Check your seasoning. This andouille sausage gave it a nice flavor and a little kick. If you want it closer to more Cajun-y, you could add some Cajun spice and a bell pepper. A lot of times will use a poblano pepper in place of the bell pepper. So you can jazz this up any way you like. Add as much potato and all that as you like. Let's scoop some up. Scoopy, scoopy. It was just an earthquake in Greece. There we go. Oh, you could sprinkle some parsley on that if you wanted to make it pretty. I'm gonna give it a bite. I don't want to burn my mouth off. See if I can get a little bit of everything. You could add a can of cream corn to it as well. Oh, that's nice. So that's nice. That's tasty. If you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, maybe think about it. And a thumbs up always helps me out. And if you are a subscriber, say hello down below. Let me know you're there. And give this a try. It has a nice subtle kick and heat spice from the sausage. It's a nice winter soup. So I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, evening, morning, night, whatever it is where you're at. I'll see you next time.